Welcome to MyLightPlanner, the easiest and most fun way to design a professional lighting layout for your home. In just a few minutes, you'll go from a simple photo to a full plan with animations, power routing, and a complete materials list. First, click New Project and upload a straight-on photo of your house. As soon as your photo loads, the app jumps into scale mode. This part is super important because it tells the app how big your house actually is. Once the scale is set, you'll automatically drop into lights mode. This is where the magic happens. Click where you want your lights to start, click where they end, and the app creates a segment instantly. If you're making a peak, just click the end of your first line, then continue up or down the slope for the next part. The app recognizes it as one continuous peak and snaps everything together cleanly. Keep drawing lines anywhere you want lights. This house has 3 identical peaks, so instead of repeating the same steps 3 times, I'll just draw one peak, select it, and duplicate it. Easy, fast, satisfying. Next, I'm going to switch it up and outline the windows with LED strip lights. This isn't the most common setup, but it's a cool example of what the app can do. Using the rectangle tool, I just drag from one corner to the other, and it instantly creates a perfect outline around the window. When your layout is looking good, click Preview mode. This turns on the virtual lights so you can see your design come to life. Open the drop-down to try out different animations like candy cane, warm white, or chase. It's super fun watching everything light up. Now let's add a power source. Grab the power icon and drag it to wherever your outlet or controller is located. Then use the extension tool to draw any jumper wires you'll need to connect different sections of your setup. These lines show up in orange, so you can easily visualize how everything will be wired. Once everything is planned out, you can download an image of your house with the lights turned on, or click the Job Sheet button to get a complete breakdown of your project, total footage, extension lengths, and every light type you'll need. And that's it. You just built a full professional lighting plan using MyLightPlanner. Have fun experimenting with layouts, play with different animations, and happy planning.